these two equations, we have two variables called x comma y. So we need to write as a column, that is x comma y, like this. Next, we need to write b. B means constants matrix, that is b is equal to, now we have two constants called 5 comma 10. 5 comma 10. So this is the way of writing three matrices from the given two simultaneous equations. Clear? Now what to do? Now for this given coefficients matrix, we need to find out det. So now det A. Now det A is equal to det of matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now so 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? And we have learned how to find out det for a 2 by 2 in the previous class. So here det of this matrix is calculated by AD minus BC. So where this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. AD means A into D, that means 1 into 4, 4, minus BC means 3 into 2, that is 6. So that implies minus 2. So minus 2 is said to be det under. We call it as det. Got it. Now remember, if this det is not equal to 0, then only you can move further. That means further Cramer's method can be applicable if this det A is not equal to 0. If this det A becomes 0, then we cannot move further. So here det A is not equal to 0, so we can apply Cramer's method. We can apply Cramer's method. Clear? Okay. Now we need to write Cramer's method formula. That is, we know that by Cramer's rule, here solving of these two simultaneous equations means the meaning of solving is nothing but we need to find out x comma y values. So according to the Cramer's rule, x can be calculated by det B1 by det A. Similarly, y is calculated by det B2 by det A. So this is the formula for Cramer's method. X is calculated by det B1 by det A. Y is calculated by det B2 by det A. So we have only two variables in this example. So this will be our formula by Cramer's method. Now if you observe these two, det B1 by det A and det B2 by det A, in both the terms, the denominator is det A that we have already calculated, that is minus 2. Now what we require? We require det B1 and det B2. Now it's det B1 is very simple. Now det B1 is equal to, remember, to find out det B1, what we need to do is, in the place of given matrix, in the given matrix, in the place of first column, we need to substitute this coefficient, this constants matrix. To get B1, we need to substitute this constant matrix 5 comma 10 in the first column. Second column is as it is. Similarly, to get B2, we need to substitute this constants matrix in the place of second column in this column. Then B1 is same. So now my point is that B1 is calculated by, in the place of first column, we need to write the constants matrix called 5 comma 10. But second column as it is, that is 2 comma 4. So second column, that is 2 comma 4 as it is. So this implies, now again we have 2 by 2 na. So AD minus BC again. This is 5 into 4, 20 minus 10 into 2, 20. 5 4 is 20, 10 into 2, 20. So 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is det B1. Similarly, let's come for det B2. So det B2 is calculated by, now I'm writing for B2 na. So that means in the place of second column, we need to write constants matrix, that is 5 comma 10. But the first column should be as it is. The first column means 1 comma 3. So first column should be as it is. This is 1 comma 3. Now this implies, now again take AD minus BC. AD means 1 into 10, 10 minus 3 into 5, 15. So 10 minus 15 is equal to minus 5. So det B2 is equal to minus 5. Det B1 is equal to 0. Over. Therefore, x is equal to x is equal to, then x is equal to det b1 by det a, that is det b1 and 0 and so 0 by that a we have got that a is minus 2. That means 0 by anything is nothing but 0. Similarly, y is equal to det b2 by det a. That implies that b2 means minus 5 divided by that a means minus 2. So minus minus will be cancelled. You will get 5 by 2 means 2.5. So this is your answer. So your x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2.5. So this is the procedure for Cramer's method when we have 2 by 2 matrix. I mean 2 by 2 in the sense when we have two simultaneous equations. So in this example, two simultaneous equations were given with two variables. So first of all, I have written three matrices from the given simultaneous equations. The first matrix A is called coefficients matrix. Second matrix is called X, which is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Voice
Yes,
not
sir.
audible.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. Your
Okay.
voice is
Sir.
audible,
Sir,
sir.
not
Okay.
audible.
So my here A means coefficients matrix, X means coefficient variables matrix, and B is a constant matrix.
Hello.
First meaning మా
Sir,
చెప్పమ్మా
voice not audible, sir.
అమ్మా అందరికి వినిపిస్తుంది మీకు
Voice not
వినిపించట్లేదు
audible, sir.
ఒకసారి మీ మొబైల్లో సంథింగ్
Rejoin. You can just rejoin, Madhavi, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
సో first we need to get that A value. So we know how to get that A when we have 2 by 2 matrix. So I have applied AD minus BC and I got minus 2. Remember, if your det is not equal to 0, then only we can proceed for further solution. So in this example, my det A is not equal to 0, so I have gone for Cramer's formula. So here I need to calculate only two variables called x comma y. So x is calculated by det b1 by det a and y is calculated by det b2 by det a. Now det b1 is obtained by replacing the first column with constants matrix. So we observe just the given matrix law. This is the given matrix. This is the given matrix. In the place of first column 1 comma 3, we need to substitute 5 comma 10. That's why I have got 5 comma 10 in the first column place. Second is 2 comma 4 as it is. Then I have applied AD minus BC. I got 5 4s 20 minus 10 2s 20. That is 0. Similarly for B2. Then I have substituted B1, det B1, det B2 in the formula. So this is the calculations for Cramer's method when we have 2 by 2. Now we are moving for the most important part, that is Cramer's method for a 3 by 3 matrix. That means in this example, a 3 simultaneous equations with 3 variables will be given. It's very, very important. So in many question papers, you can find this question. The most important example for a main exam. Now the question is, solve the following equations by Cramer's method. And the equation is 5x minus 6y plus 4z is equal to 45. Sorry, is equal to, wait. Sorry. Yes, definitely. This is 15 and this is 15. So 5x minus 6y plus 4z is equal to 15. This is 15, 1, 5. And second simultaneous equation is 7x plus 4y minus 3z is equal to 19, 1, 9. And third is 2x plus y plus 6z is equal to 46. This is the question given in the previous question paper. The first equation is 5x minus 6y plus 4z is equal to 15. Second is 7x plus 4y minus 3z is equal to 19. 2x plus y plus 6z is equal to 46. Now we need to solve these three simultaneous equations by using Cramer's method. Clear? Let's come for the solution. First of all, if you observe these questions, if you observe the simultaneous equations in the given question, the given equations are in the form of the given equations are in the form of ax is equal to b. These are in the form of ax is equal to b. So where a means coefficients matrix, x means variables matrix, b means constants matrix. So let's write these three matrices in the first stage. So coefficients matrix a is equal to now if you see this example, here I have three simultaneous equations and I have three variables. So I will get three. I will get with 3 by 3. If you see the first constraint, the coefficients are x coefficient is 5, y coefficient is minus 6, z coefficient is 4. So this is the first row. If you see the second equation, x coefficient is 7, y coefficient is 4, and z coefficient is minus 3. So this is the second row. If you see the third one, x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is 1, and z coefficient is 6. So 5 minus 6, 4, 7, 4 minus 3, 2, 1, 6. So this is the coefficients matrix. So let's come for variable matrix x. So in this example, I have three variables x comma y comma z. So my variables matrix is x, y, z. We need to write as a column. Got it? And the constants matrix B is equal to, and constants matrix B is calculated, obtained by 1946 kadandi. So this is 15, 19, and 46. 15, 19, 46. So this is the way of writing the three matrices called coefficients matrix, variables matrix, and the constants matrix. Any doubt till this? Any doubt till this? No.
Sir, have
No,
you
ma'am.
got
No,
those
sir.
B numbers, sir? Have you got those B numbers 15, 19, 46?
This is nothing but the constants given in the question only. If you see,
Okay.
if you see in the first equation, I got 15 as the constant, na?
Yes,
In the
sir.
second equation, I got 19. In the third, I have 46. So other as in 15, 19, 46. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now, after writing these three matrices, now we need to move for det A. Now we need to move for det A. Now det A is nothing but det of Gurtunda. Det can be represented in between two vertical lines. And the matrix is 5, minus 6, 4, 7, 4, minus 3, and 2, 1, 6. So this is the matrix given. So the given matrix I have written in between two vertical lines. Okay. Okay. Now I need to apply det. Did you remember? We have discussed a procedure to find out det, na? That is, first we need to take the first element, 5. First we need to write first element 5 into det of. Now what to do? For that 5, we need to leave corresponding row, and 5 is in first row, so that corresponding row,
4 into
corresponding
4
column
4
is
into 6.
4 into
4
3
into 6
minus
minus
the remaining
minus
matrix
3 into 1.
4 minus 3, 1, 6.
1, 6.
Correct. Now coming to the second element. If you see the second element, did you remember? For the second element, we need to take minus actually. And for the given matrix, the second element having again minus, so we will get minus of minus 6 into det of. Now for the second element, let's leave Again, that corresponding row and corresponding column. Now, if you leave
7
this
7,
7
4,
minus
2,
3,
1.
7 minus 3, 2.
2, 6, correct. Similarly, for the third element, that is plus 4 into det of, third element is in first row and the third column. If you leave
7,
the first
4, 2, 1.
and third column, we will get 7, 4, 2, 1. That's it. Now apply AD minus BC. Now first element 5 into AD means 4, 6, 24 minus. Now BC, AD minus BC means we need to multiply this into this, and 1 into minus 3, and minus of minus 3. So this is about the first one. Now second one, minus into minus plus, 6 into, now again, AD minus BC, AD, 7, 6, 7 into 6, 42, minus 2, 3, 6, 2 into minus 3, we will get minus 6. So minus of minus 6. This is for the second one. Coming to third, plus 4 into, now again AD. AD means 7 into 1, 7, minus 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. Now this implies 5 into 24. Now minus of minus plus 3, plus 6 into 42, minus of minus plus 6, plus 4 into 7 minus 8 minus 1. This implies 5 into 24 plus 3, 27, plus 6 into 42 plus 6, 48, plus 4 plus into 4 minus 4 into 1, 4. This implies, I'm going to take calculator and tell me 5 into 27.
135.
135 plus
288.
2,
88.
88 minus 4.
49.
419.
419.
419, huh?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
419.
Yes.
Okay. So 419 is my det A value. Am I correct? Na? Otherwise, my last answer was.
Yes, correct, sir.
Correct,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Correct, sir.
now
It's
this
true.
is det A. This is det A. Now tell me, is it equal to 0 or not equal to 0?
Not equal to 0.
This is not equal to 0.
Zero.
That means det A is not equal to 0. So we can apply. Cramer's method. We can apply Cramer's method. Okay. So till now what we have done is we have written 3 matrices: coefficients matrix, variable matrix, and constants matrix. After that, we have gone for det A, and we found that det A is not equal to 0. Now we are going to apply Cramer's method. Now let's write Cramer's rule. So here we have 3 variables, x, y, z. So solving the equations by Cramer's method is nothing but we need to obtain the values for x, y, z. So here x is calculated by, and by Cramer's rule, x is calculated by det of B1 by det of A, and y is calculated by det of B2 by det of A, and z is calculated by det of B3 by det of A. Got it? So this is the formula. Now if you observe these three terms, all the 3 terms having det A in the denominator. All these 3 terms having det A in its denominator. And det A already we have, that is 419. So our requirement is we need to calculate det B1, det B2, det B3. So we need to calculate det B1, det B2, and det B3. I hope you understand. Now let's come for, now to finish this question, we require det B1, det B2, det B3. Now I'm writing for det B1. So somebody tell me, how can I get the matrix for det B1?
We have to 15, 19, 46.
By replacing the first column with the constant matrix.
Correct. We need to write the constants matrix in the first column. And our constants matrix is
15, 19, sir.
That is 15, 19, 46. So 15, 19, 46 we need to write in the first column. to get B1. Now, second column and third column are as it is. As it is in the sense, second column and third column are minus 6, 4, 4 minus, minus 6, 4, 1. So this is minus 6, 4, 1. This is second column. What is the third column? 4 minus 3, 6. So this is 4, this is minus 3, this is 6. 4 minus 3, 6. And then, now if you observe, again we have a 3 by 3 matrix. Now again we need to find out det. Now this implies, now again the first element 15, the first element, yes, now again the first element 15 into, now tell me, for the 15, this is the 15. Now this is in first row and first column, leave first row and first column. Then the remaining matrix is 4 minus
minus 3, 1, 6.
Now actually for the second element we have minus, and second element is also having minus, so minus of minus becomes plus 6 అయిపోతుంది. It becomes plus 6. Now for the second element also, leave corresponding row and corresponding column, then we get 19 minus 3 and 46 and 6. Similarly, plus third element 4, 4 into det of. Now for the third element 4, again leave corresponding row and column, we will get 19, 4, 46, 1. So this is the way of getting the values. Now simplify. Now let's apply the first element 15 into, now apply AD minus BC. AD means 4, 6, 24, 24. Actually we have minus in formula. This is BC. BC means 1 into minus 3. Minus 3. So minus of minus plus 3. So this is 24 plus 3. And second element plus 6 into, again AD minus BC. AD means 19, 6. 19, 6 and the ma.
114.
114.
Correct. So 19, 114 minus, now again we need to multiply B into C. That means minus into minus plus avutundamma. Amma 46 3 times amma.
138.
138. So all this is for the second element. Now coming to third element plus 4 into, again AD. AD means 19 ones 19 minus BC means 46 4s and
184.
184. Correct. Now simplification. This implies 15 into
To 27
27 plus
plus
6 into 114,
252
252 and 252 plus 4 into
plus 4 into minus 165.
minus 1
65.
165.
Okay. This implies 1527 student.
405.
405 plus 6 into 252.
1512.
1512.
1512. Now plus into minus minus 165 4 times only.
660.
660. Am I will simplify Chira. 405 plus
One-
1512 minus
1257, sir.
1256.
100. So 1257 is nothing but our det B1. I hope people understand the concept of det B1. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Now det B1 is over. Now similarly, we need to apply for det B2. Now det B2 is nothing but we need to take det of. Now tell me. Now B2 kabatti. Now we need to get B2. So we need to replace constants matrix in second column. Constants matrix is 15, 19, 46. So this is, here it is 15. Here it is 19. Here it is 46. So I am writing for B2. So the constant matrix can be replaced in the second column. If I want to write B3, then I need to write constants matrix in the third column. But remaining columns are same. So what is the first column? First column is
572.
572. So 572 is first column. What is the third column? Third column is as it is. That is 4.
4 minus 3, 6.
4 minus 3, 6. That's it. So this is about first column. Second column is constants matrix, and third column again as it is. Now again apply the same procedure. This implies the first element again, the first element 5 into, now leave corresponding row and column. If you leave the corresponding row and column, we will get 19 minus
Minus 3.
46 and 6. Now the second element is 15, but we need to take minus 15 into det of. Now leave corresponding row. Now leave second column. We leave second column. We will get 7 minus 3, 2, 6. Now coming to third element 4. Now 4 into det of. Now leave correspond first row and third column. Now this is 7, 19, 2, and 46. Got it? Now apply AD minus BC. Now this is 5 into. Now apply AD minus 19, 6.
114.
114 minus BC. 46
into minus plus
plus 46 3 summa.
138.
138.
138 minus 15 into. Now again AD 7 6 42.
42
42
plus
minus of minus plus 6
plus 6.
plus third element 4 into 746
322. Sir.
322 minus 219 38. This implies 5 into 114 plus 138 ra 252 minus 15 into 42 plus 6 means 48 plus 4 into 322 minus 38 284. Okay, good. Now this implies 5252 summa.
1260.
1
1260.
1260 minus 1540 720 plus 4 into 284 ra
1136.
1136. First one last one add chesi minus 720
1676.
that is
76.
okay. So 1676 is nothing but our B2, that B2. Okay. Now coming to third. Now third we require for that B3 na. So that B3.
Yes.
Now that B3 is nothing but, now when we are getting that B3, now we need to take the constants matrix in the third column. That is 15, 19, 15, 19, 46. So 15, 19, 46 is in the third column. But first column and second column are as it is. That means 572. This is 572. But tell me the second column draw.
Minus 641, sir.
4
1.
1 and okay. Minus 641. Ante. Now again apply the same procedure. అమ్మా నీలిమా మీరు స్క్రీన్ మీరు షేర్ చేస్తున్నారమ్మా, మీరు చేయకూడదు. ఎవరు? రమ్య. Ma, somebody is sharing your screen. Kindly stop screen sharing.
Neelima.
Okay, Malli marchandi. Now we have that B3. Now this implies, now again take the first element, that is 5. మన స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవుతుందా?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just a moment. మీరు టైం వేస్ట్ చేస్తారా? Okay, I hope now my screen is sharing.
Yes, sir. Sharing, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now that B3. Now again the first element that is 5. So that implies 5 into that of. Now leave the first row and first column. You will get 4, 19,
19, 146.
146. Now coming to the second element, actually we have minus 6. So minus of minus plus 6 into that of. Now leave first row and second column. We will get
7,
17,
19,
19, 2 and 46. Plus third element 15 into that of.
7421.
First one got 7421. Correct. Now this implies. Now let's come for simplification. That implies first element 5 into. Now apply AD minus B. Sum of 446.
184.
184, sir.
184 minus BC means
19.
119. That is 19 plus 6 into. Again AD. AD means
22,
7 into
322, sir.
322, sir.
322.
2 minus BC means
38.
38 plus
15
third
into
element 15 into this is 7 into 1 7
7
minus
minus
8. This implies 5 into 184 minus
165.
165.
165,
165.
plus 6 into
284, sir.
38. Huh?
280.
284,
284.
284 plus 15 into minus 1.
Minus 1.
minus 15,
Okay. Now 5 into 165.
825.
825.
8
825.
25.
plus 6 into 84.
1704.
1704.
1704
04.
minus 15. I think. Okay.
2514, sir.
2514, sir.
2514.
14.
14, sir.
Now if you observe at this stage we have everything now. If you see our formula, x is equal to det b1 by det a, y is equal to det b2 by det a, z is equal to det b3 by det a. Now we have everything. We have all this. Therefore, we can get x is equal to det b1 by det a. That implies now. Tell me what is det b1? What is det b1 by
257.
1257.
1257 by 419.
57. 1257 divided by
419.
419.
419.
419. This implies divide chema.
3.
I think 3 na. So 3 is your x. Similarly, y is equal to det b2 by det a. Okay. This implies det b ten the chodra.
1676. 1676.
1676 divided by 419. I think it is 4 times na.
Yes,
4.
sir.
Now coming to det b, z is equal to det b3 by det a. This implies that b3 by that 2514 divided by 419. I think 6 times, na?
Yes, sir.
6 times. So therefore your answer is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 6.
6.
This is our final answer. Very, very, very important model. And remember, I am saying that this is an important question. But ade model and rule ledu. But most probably this question may comes for exam. So I hope you can understand the procedure of Cramer's method. Very easy to understand and most important for exam. So if you still do not understand this procedure, don't worry. Whatever discussed till now, the same notes and video I will send you. I will share it with you in our WhatsApp group. You can go through the procedure.